Here's what nobody tells you. Most done-for-you systems have the building, but the traffic and the promotion and the daily grind of getting eyeballs, that's still on you. I found one setup where 20 minutes a day is the actual work, and I want to walk you through exactly how it runs. But before I do, I need to be honest about something. If you spent any time searching for passive income to start today, you notice the pattern. Every video, every blog post, every ad, they all make it sound like you set something up, walk away, and money just appears. That's not how most of this works. Not even close. Here's what actually happens. You find something that looks promising. Maybe it's an affiliate funnel. Maybe it's a digital product. Maybe it's some course someone sold you on. That's the setup part. Sure, maybe that's handled for you. You get a landing page, some emails, looks great on paper, but then what? Then you're sitting on Facebook 4 hours a day trying to start conversations with strangers. You're answering the same questions over and over. You're chasing people who said they were interested and then ghosted. You're on the phone during dinner, checking messages before bed. And somewhere around week 3, it hits you. This isn't passive at all. This is a second job. Might actually be worse than your first one, because at least your day job pays you on Friday. There's a line I came across that stuck with me. The real value isn't no work. It's no wasted work. That's the part most people miss. The problem isn't doing work. The problem is doing the wrong work, the kind that eats your entire evening and still doesn't move the needle. So here's where it gets interesting. I went looking for something different, not zero work. I don't think that exists outside of maybe dividend investing or owning a paid off rental property, but something where the work is small, focused, and actually connected to results. What I found was a daily ritual that takes about 20 minutes. That's it. Let me break it down. You sit down, could be morning before work, could be on your lunch break, could be after the kids go to bed. You open a simple tool, basically a push button traffic generator. You're not writing blog posts, you're not filming content, you're not sliding into anyone's DMs. You run the tool, send out your signal, close the laptop. Now here's what makes this different from everything else I looked at. Once that traffic starts flowing, it hits a done-for-you sales system, not something you built, not something you have to tweak or test or redesign every week. It's already set up and ready to go. And sitting inside that system is an AI chat closer called Sage that handles the explaining, answers objections, and walks people through the offer around the clock while you're at work, while you're at your kids' game, while you're asleep. Think about that for a second. The thing most people spend all day doing, the selling, the convincing, the answering questions, that's handled. You're not on the phone. You're not typing paragraphs into Facebook Messenger at 11 at night. You did your 20 minutes. The system does the rest. Now I know what you might be thinking. Okay, but how does the money actually work? Because I've seen setups where you do all this and then you earn some tiny commission that barely covers your coffee. Fair question. And it's exactly the right question to be asking, because the commission structure is what separates a hobby from something worth actually building. You keep 80 cents of every dollar that comes in, not 10%, not 30%, 80%. That kind of margin matters because most affiliate setups have you fighting over a small fraction of every sale, which means you need an enormous volume just to see meaningful numbers. When the cut is 80%, the math shifts fast. But here's the part I almost buried, and it's probably the most important thing I'll say on this video. Those commissions repeat every single month. The person who came in last Tuesday still paying you next month, and the month after that, and next March, which means Every 20-minute session you do isn't just earning today, it's stacking. And the work you did in January is still generating income in June. That's not a paycheck, that's a growing asset. And I want to be straightforward with you here because I think the vague promises are exactly what eroded your trust in this space to begin with. I'm not telling you this replaces your income overnight. Nobody honest would tell you that. Results depend on how consistently you use the system, the traffic you drive, a handful of other factors that are going to look different for everyone watching this. What I can tell you is this: the structure itself is built differently than what most people are used to seeing. Compare spending 4 hours a day chasing cold leads for a one time payout to spending 20 minutes a day feeding a system that's designed to build recurring income month after month. The design of the thing matters, and this one thing is designed to compound. That's worth understanding before you decide anything. So, if what I just walked you through resonates with you, if the idea of 20 focused minutes instead of 4 exhausting hours sounds like something you want to actually look at, here's what I suggest. Go see the exact system for yourself. You can look at how the done for you sales system works, how Sage handles the conversations, and what the 80% recurring commission structure actually looks like in practice. No pressure, just go see it. The link is in the description below.